Hello, Literature 280 students. Welcome to our class. My name is Professor Anderson, and I'm really looking forward to this virtual experience with all of you. And so our class is set up here for you to start navigating through. And so I invite you to start to explore our course and the content. It is what I call an open education resource course, which means you don't have to buy any textbooks and everything will be provided for you, although I will be happy to make lots of recommendations for reading if you are interested in reading further in any of the areas that we'll study this semester. So tomorrow, Wednesday, September 2nd, at 11 a.m., we will have our first virtual class, and I will explain here in this video how to access that class. And I am looking forward to meeting all of you then. And today I'm going to go over a few important areas for you to navigate in order to get started. So these tools here are critical for you to explore the content assessments and resources, as well as help in case you have any trouble and need to get some assistance with say D2L or other sorts of resources. I'm going to click on the content page, and I encourage you to explore this page. The course table of contents is here, and you'll find all of the modules set up here for you. Now, I will just give you a little bit of a heads up that I am still tweaking and updating some of these things, but I promise to always have everything updated for you at least a week in advance. So while pretty much the course schedule is all set up for you and structured and due dates are all set there, just a little heads up that I may be tweaking some of the readings and some of the instructions and some of the assignments, but those will be set at least a week in advance for everybody, all right, if not sooner. So the table of contents is really critical, and it's where we will start tomorrow, and I will work to explore what's here with you. In addition, what's really critical is this course schedule. So if you click on course schedule, this is where you will find all of the information about what to do when. So for example, here, you can see right here, there's a link to our virtual class for tomorrow. And so you can click on that in order to go into the classroom and be ready for our live synchronous session. The class here, it tells you the time. I set it for 90 minutes, even though our class is just 75, just so that it doesn't cut us off if anybody's asking questions at the end of class, that sort of thing. Okay. And then as you scroll down, I won't scroll too far, but you can sort of see some of the deadlines and assignments that are coming up. We'll do our introduction tomorrow and review of the syllabus. And then with Labor Day on Monday, you will have a full week to review a lot of materials to get us started. And what you'll find is the first really week I spend just kind of setting up the class and my approach and providing some resources to help you get a sense for the way we'll be approaching literature in this class. So that's a couple of highlights for you. I will let you explore some of these other tools on your own and tell you more about them next week. And then I will just take one more minute to click over here to the home page where you will see oftentimes announcements from me and the college about updates to the class or to things going on. And so always be checking your announcements, okay? Finally, one other thing, I will be posting this video and a link to the virtual class in announcements shortly after I finish filming this. And then also just one other way to navigate to our virtual class is to go to the course resources and go to the bottom to the virtual classroom. And here you will find the scheduled virtual classes all for our entire semester. So we'll have 14 of them. And this is another way that you can enter them. You can go over here to actions and hit launch, and that'll take you to the class. I will be automatically letting you in right at 11 o'clock. So if you sign in a little bit earlier, you'll just be sitting in a waiting room and then it will open up for you. Please be ready. I prefer that you have your cameras on and your mics on so that we can actually recreate a live class as close as possible. However, I will just let everybody know it's not a requirement to have your mic or your camera on. I understand we're not all ready for camera all the time. Sometimes we have bad days. Sometimes we have technology problems, all of those kinds of things. So please, by all means, let me see your lovely faces so we can have more of a live class experience. But know that it's okay if you need to just be in the class, maybe participate through chat or just with your microphone, and those things are going to be okay too. All right, I look forward to meeting all of you soon, and here's to a great semester. Bye, everybody.